Families who wish to pass down a precious item down the years are becoming increasingly common. This is typically offered in gold, high-end timepieces, equities, ETFs, gold-related commodities, and even cryptocurrency. Have you considered watches, though? An ounce of gold is currently worth $2,036, although this value varies greatly. The way gold is exchanged on the market is somewhat like investing in a stock. It will probably increase over time, but will the wait be worthwhile? Conversely, high-end timepieces can be sold for millions of dollars after only 3 years. It's challenging to decide which luxury watch would be a wise buy due to their wide variety and range. It's not true that for a very long time, a lot of people thought of watches as only a status symbol or an opulent fashion statement. In actuality, watches are profitable investments that have been shown to increase in value or keep onto it for many years. Not just any watches, mind you, I'm referring to high-end timepieces like the Glorious 3, Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Rolex, especially the Rolex. Generation after generation has demonstrated the worth of vintage luxury timepieces. These sought-after watches have occasionally been passed down as a legacy to bequeath to the following generation or as a transportable wealth symbol to cling to in times of financial hardship. Because Rolex watches are not impacted by the same market swings as other assets, their value has increased over the previous 10 years relative to other assets such as gold, real estate, and the stock market. However, as everyone is aware, purchasing actual gold has many advantages over investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds since it is something tangible. It is something you can see, feel, and hold in your hands. Investors frequently flee to safe haven investments when economic storms threaten. Gold is frequently at the top of this list because of its lengthy history as a reliable store of value. Events that are unique to an industry or localized economic conditions can have an impact on real estate and stocks alike. Gold's value endures because of its widely acknowledged value. Jewelry's cost includes craftsmanship, which could have an impact on its resale value. That being said, gold in any form protects your wealth during uncertain economic times by providing hedge against the volatile currency markets. High-end timepieces, on the other hand, are rather different because they can be worn with their strong values and serve as a status signal. It seems sense that whenever these gorgeous watches are noticed in public, Fortune 500 CEOs, royalty, and other celebrities would always be seen flashing them. In addition to raising their social status and giving them an air of luxury, these watches also up their style factor. A timeless, upscale watch may elevate your complete ensemble, even if you wear plain clothes. Moreover, luxury there is little to no relationship between the stock market and watches. Generally speaking, these assets perform better than stocks and are more stable during recessions. For example, during the COVID epidemic in 2022, the value of luxury timepieces decreased by only 8%. The S&P 500 stock index dropped by 19% in the meantime. It's interesting to note that after every 10 years, luxury timepieces over $100,000 should appreciate in value by an average of roughly 69%. Because they are so sought after, luxury timepieces are uncommon. But watch manufacturers frequently produce limited edition models, which gain value over time as they become harder to locate in the marketplace. Richard Mille's RM011 America's Titanium, limited edition, baby blue theme, created as a memorial to Felipe Massa, is one such model. The watch's value may increase with time based on its manufacturer and model. Because they anticipate that rare or limited edition watches will appreciate in value more than other possibilities, astute watch collectors frequently search for these kinds of watches. If you're trying to diversify your portfolio, buying luxury timepieces is a smart idea. Naturally, it's critical to do your homework on watches that are likely to appreciate in value over time and to grasp the market before making any significant decisions. Apart from their uniqueness, a lot of luxury timepieces also have amazing craftsmanship, which will only get better with time because of the high-caliber materials and meticulous attention to detail. Because of this, some high-end timepieces may be more appealing as investments than others. However, gold has a very strong history. Gold's appeal hasn't faded in the modern era of changing investment landscapes and digital currencies. Its history speaks for itself. Gold's price movements are often more temperate than those of newer investment vehicles, which can see significant changes in short periods of time. This makes gold an asset that can be relied upon during tumultuous market conditions. Its standing as a reliable investment option has been cemented by this constancy. Given the history of gold, investors can be confident in the metal's future prospects in the volatile world of finance. Furthermore, uncommon goods have a certain allure that is similar to that of expensive watches. Their scarcity frequently results in their enhanced value. Gold is no different. This rare valuable metal is found deep within the ground and is valued primarily on the basis of its scarcity. Gold's natural scarcity acts as a constant reminder of its inherent value. Gold is unique in the world of investments, where assets may be ethereal or susceptible to fast depreciation. Its ongoing attraction and dependability as an investment are supported by its very nature as a finite resource. Therefore, although gold is a reliable investment, the market for luxury watches has witnessed returns up to 4 times that of gold. And the reason for this is because the market swings that impact other assets do not affect these watches. However, gold serves as a safeguard against the whims and uncertainties of the financial industry. Gold stands out as a top option for investors who are worried about counterparty risk and are searching for assets that provide peace of mind. It's difficult to determine which is a better investment after examining both gold and opulent timepieces. Luxury watches are a great option if you're searching for significant returns quickly and in style. Therefore, it would depend on the investor's preference, what they are looking for in terms of a family heirloom, when they want to see the profits of their returns, the diversity and style of the investment, and how much security they want surrounding it. Gold does bring more fluctuation and high-end watches do go down in price. So, do you believe that luxury watches or gold would make a better investment for your portfolio? Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We hope to see you in the next one.